I'm giving a tutorial on balancing chemical equations algebraically. I have a computer science degree from UC Berkeley. Yeah, I'm Margaret, class of 93, and I am refreshing my math skills in pursuit of an associate's in mathematics along with science. The method that's in my book and that I've seen in the videos hasn't really worked for me when I'm tired, I haven't eaten well, I'm not well rested, I get a little scattered when I'm trying to haphazardly balance these equations. So one we have is water. So it's a diatomic molecule. So we have O2 plus H2 and produces H2O somehow miraculously. The miracle of water. Dehydrated right now. So say, well, I've got oxygen. So I've got oxygen on the left-hand side. I've got 2, and on the right-hand side I have 1. And hydrogen I have 2, and then on the right-hand side again 2. Now, they need to be the same on either side of the equation for them to balance. So with oxygen, I have 2, and I need 2 on the other side. So I say, well, what can give me 2 here? I multiply times 2. I get 2 here. And so I have 2 oxygen, but now I have 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen. And I only have 2 hydrogen here. So now I have hydrogen, 4. And what I need here is 4 as well. So if I multiply 2 again by 2, I get 4. It balances. But when I tried this problem earlier, it was a mess. So this doesn't really work for me. I spent some good number of hours instead of doing more homework so I can get better grades, figuring out how to do this. So if I was programming, I'd probably use a matrix, but I prefer, at least with these smaller problems, to solve this approach. A large problem I would as well, but I might use something that might seem a little more sophisticated. So here I say I have 2A equals, and oxygen on this side again is 1, so I say C. And here I say 2B, and on this side, hydrogen is 2 again, so I say 2C. What I need to do is I need to get every variable in terms of the other variables so that I can find the coefficients. So here, I don't have A in terms of B, so that's what I need. And I can use this equation to find C in terms of B, so I can substitute it in. So here I see that I can factor out by 2, so I can just say B equals C. And in this case, since I know C, I can substitute now B in for C. And I say 2A equals B equals C. Now I take the inverse of these functions, and I get 1/2 equals 1 over 1, A equals 1. Now I want to get rid of the fraction, so I factor through by 2, and I get 1 equals 2 equals 2. So A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 2. Oh, that's a C. Oh, yeah. Okay, so A, 1, 2, and 2. I'll double check this one. We got 2 oxygen, 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen, and 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen, and 2 times 1 oxygen. So 2, 2, 4, 4. And this is going to be a 4-part series because my phone's out of memory. At any rate, I will be doing oxygen